Ever had a problem with your bank and thought, I just need to talk to someone face to face? You're not alone. In a world full of digital banking, it's a common thought. So, when it comes to a company like Revolut, a leading digital finance app, a question many people ask is, does Revolut have physical branches? The short answer: no, Revolut does not have physical branches. It's a digital-only financial company, often called a neobank or challenger bank. This business model is built entirely around a mobile app, which is the hub for all your banking activities, from checking your balance to making international transfers. How Revolut's digital-first model works. Revolut's approach is fundamentally different from a traditional bank. Instead of investing in brick-and-mortar locations, they put all their resources into developing a user-friendly app and a robust digital infrastructure. This allows them to operate with significantly lower overhead costs. Think about it: no rent for buildings, no utility bills for physical branches, and a much smaller workforce dedicated to in-person customer service. This cost-saving model is a key reason they can offer services that traditional banks often charge for. Things like competitive foreign exchange rates and low-fee international transfers are made possible because they don't have the expenses of a physical branch network to cover. How to get support. So, if there are no branches, how do you get help when you need it? Revolut's customer support is primarily handled through its in-app chat. This service is available 24/7, 365 days a year. For customers on their premium, metal, and ultra plans, there's even an option for in-app calls. This digital-first support model is designed for speed and convenience, allowing you to get help from anywhere in the world, at any time. While it may feel different from walking into a bank, the digital-only model is a strategic choice. It's all about efficiency, low costs, and a global reach that a traditional banking model simply can't match. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.